everyone, welcome back to the channel. So finally I am sharing my desk setup with you guys along with my home office tour. When we shifted to this new house, I knew that I'm going to convert this room to my home office. I always wanted a place where I can do all my side hustle related work. This is where I edit my videos, I write my scripts, I write my blog posts, I do all the brainstorming, and I also shoot a few of my YouTube videos over here. I wanted this room to have a very minimal yet cozy vibe, a place that will make me feel productive and positive all the time, and I hope by the end of this tour you will also feel the same. I'm very excited to share this with you guys. So without any delay, let's get started with this tour. So as soon as you enter through the door, there is a small corridor and a washroom on the left hand side, and this leads to a south facing window. And on the other corner of the room on the east side, there is another window in front of which I have placed the desk. Beside the desk there is a wardrobe, and then on this wall I have my bookshelf, which is also my recent DIY project. More on that later, but first let me show my desk to you guys. So this is a very simple, sleek and white desk that I got from Pepperfry, and I have placed this in front of this big window. It gets a lot of sunlight throughout the day, and I try to keep the desk mostly clutter free. In this huge blank space in the middle of the desk, this is where I bring out my laptop, I keep my notebooks, I keep my books whenever I am working. Otherwise I try to keep this place blank. On the leftmost corner of the table, I have this beautiful Swiss cheese plant. I love the pattern in its leaves and it adds such a fresh vibe to this table. So yeah, this is one plant that I have on my desk. And next to that, I always keep a water bottle because otherwise I keep forgetting to drink water whenever I am working. Next to that is this beautiful white book stand, which I use to store 3 planners that I use every single day. So the first one is the yearly planner, and I use it to make my daily to-do list, set my monthly goals, track my habits and all these stuffs. The second one is my DIY YouTube planner, and the third one is a notebook where I write down all my YouTube scripts, my blog post outline and all these different stuffs. Beside that is an empty box of popcorn, and I have recycled that as my pen stand. So it has all the pens that I use on a daily basis. So mostly black pens, I use them for writing, and then a few colored pens, a few highlighters, a few markers, some pencils, scales, scissors and all these stuffs. And beside the pen stand is my cutest toy. This is the brown bear that my husband gifted me last year. I am sure you guys know about brown bear. If you use WhatsApp and if people send you GIFs, then you definitely know about this bear. And it is also a light. So yeah, this is really a very pretty thing, and I have kept it on a box. I bought some aroma oils and they came in this beautiful box. So instead of throwing this away, I decided to store some of my very delicate and important items inside this box. So I store all my memory cards, my extra camera batteries, my pen drives, a few cords and my external hard drive. These things are so important and I often end up misplacing them. So I always make sure that I store all of them inside this box once they are used. In front of the box there is this beautiful table calendar. I remember I went to a bookstore to get one and this was the only one available. I really love the fact that all the pictures used in this calendar are drawn by kids. This calendar just adds a very happy and positive vibe to my table. So I have placed it on my desk. I also added a coaster for my tea and coffee cups, a phone holder to place my phone whenever I am working, and the final element is this very refreshing scented candle. Right above the table beside the window, I have my vision board. I am so happy that a lot of things that I mentioned in this vision board have actually come true. I am not going through this in details. I have a separate video on my vision board. Below the vision board, there is this empty white wall space. Whenever I get a new idea or remember something important, I write that down on a sticky note and I place it on this wall so that whenever I'm working, I constantly am reminded of those important things and I start working on them too. Next to that is this hanging planter, and I have placed this fake plant inside it. I bought it as a photo prop, but now this adds a bright pop of color to my desk setup, so I have placed it right over here. Now coming to the drawers of these tables, there is a big drawer, and inside this drawer I have all my extra stationery items. So all the colored pens and sketch pens, wooden pens that I don't use on a regular basis, I have stored them inside this drawer. Beside that, I have the small storage tray, and in this tray I have placed a hand sanitizer and a hand cream. Along with that, I have few of these post-it notes, one baby stick, a stapler, a sellotape, all these essential stuffs. There is another recycled wooden box in the drawer, and in this box I store one dusting brush, some extra stapler pins, some of these beautiful golden clips, and all these random stuffs that I don't need every day but I need occasionally. And I use up the rest of the space for my laptop and the charger. Next to that, in the smaller drawer, I have a few extra notebooks, my Dream Life journal, some sticky notepad, some blank cards and a matchbox. Below this drawer is a storage area with two shelves, and I have used two jute organizers to store all the wares that I have in this house. So from extra phone chargers to extension cords, I have placed them all right over here. I also have a DIY box that I made last year, and I use it to store the smaller wares. And finally there are these two extra popcorn boxes, and I store just random small accessories inside them. Along with the table, I also got this chair from Pepperfry. It's a very comfortable chair. I can spend hours sitting in this chair editing, writing, and back pain is not a problem for me anymore. Now right opposite to this desk is a small folding table that I have placed beside this window. This was a very old table, but we got it colored and now it looks perfectly new. So this is my charging corner. This is where I charge my camera, my phone and all these stuffs. And also I have placed this beautiful basket on the table. So I keep my camera and one small tripod inside it. I can get them whenever I want to and just start shooting. Next to that, I place the light stands and a camera tripod. Folding these things and keeping them back to their own places is a huge task. So I leave these things just like this, and whenever I need, I just attach the lights, I mount my camera on the tripod and start shooting. Next to that is this beautiful bookshelf. If you are an old subscriber, you probably remember this one. I used to shoot a lot of my old videos in front of this bookshelf, but it was in a brown color and I really wanted it to have a lighter color. So a few days back I painted it into this beautiful sea green sort of color, and it looks so soothing and matches with the vibe of this room perfectly. So on the top shelf I have a lot of my English books, mostly non-fictions, a few fictions also. So I kind of try to color coordinate them. So all these books are mostly white, blue, grey, all these books, and right next to that, to add some contrast, I have some yellow and red and orange books. On top of that I have these oil diffuser sort of thing, and next to that I have a photo frame with its beautiful leaf illustration, and in front of that again two jade plants are propagating. On the bottom shelf I have a lot of my Bengali books and magazines. These are some of my favorite books. Trust me guys, this is not even 5% of my entire collection, but these are all the books that I have in this house. On top of this stash of books, I have this beautiful container and I have added a few crystals in this. Next to that is my Instax camera. I got it as a wedding gift and I captured a lot of beautiful memories in it. Next, I have this reed diffuser. I don't have any reeds at home right now. And next to that, there is another candle. And the last element is this beautiful alarm clock. My husband gifted this to me and I really love this one. Next to the bookshelf, there are these two posters, one of beautiful green leaves just to enhance the positive vibe of this room, and beside that there is this poster with a message that I personally believe in: do more of what makes you happy. I think that's what I am currently working on. And finally, there is this wardrobe. Now on the top shelf, I have used some Amazon boxes, and inside these cartons, I have stored some really old albums and all these stuffs. Below that, there is this huge area, and this is where I store my box lights and my ring light. And the shelf below that has all my used notebooks. In the last 1 year, I took a lot of courses and I take a lot of notes whenever I am studying. Also, I did a lot of brainstorming and planning for my YouTube channel, and these notebooks have all those things. I'm not going to get rid of them anytime soon, so I stored them in this shelf. And finally, in the lowermost shelf, I have stored all the extra tripods and lights and all the stuffs that I have. So yeah, that is it for this video. Do let me know what you think of my desk setup and my workroom tour. I thoroughly enjoyed creating this video. If you want to watch more videos that I create sitting right in this room, then make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I will be back with a new video very soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.